Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at this awesome folding EDC knife from Flissa. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Flissa and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because you do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Flissa for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references, just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a standard size Sharpie. Here's a look at them vertically next to each other so you can compare the thickness of them. Let's take a rough measurement here with the blade closed. So from end to end, looks like we got just about 4 3/8 inches overall length with the blade closed. And now with the blade open. And back to vertical with the blade open. And let's take a rough measurement with the blade open from the tip of the blade to the end of the handle. Looks like we got just about 7.5 inches overall length. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. All right, so here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side. And with the G10 scales, looks like it's just a tad thicker than that. Let's run the ruler across this way and see what we get here. With the G10 scales, just about 1/2 inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade. Man, that is a chunker. That's at least 2/4 thick. That is really thick for a knife this size. Check that out. Let's run a ruler across here and see what we get. And it looks like it's just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in at about 3.1 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 3.1 ounces might feel like, well, if you got a couple of AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 4 of those. Let's have a look at your opening mechanism, and it is a flipper lever. Nice jimping up here to give your finger something to grip onto, and you just pull back. Opening action is smooth and quick. Blade is pivoting on a ball bearing system, and it is snappy. Your locking mechanism is a liner lock, so if you follow the liner, you'll notice right here, an arm of it swings open to the base of the blade and locks it into place. To close the blade, you just push the liner on the side and close. Let's have a look up front at the blade, starting off in the thumb wrap area. No jimping, absolutely smooth. And guys, check out how thick that bar stock is all the way to the tip. That is a stout, strong blade. Gorgeous satin finish. Not picking up any glare. Love that. You got fullers cut on the top on both sides. And blade shape, man, I don't know. It's kind of like a rounded, curved Warncliffe or maybe a stretched out drop point, but very narrow. We have a sharpening choil right down here. And like with most flipper levers, once they flip around, it acts as a finger guard down here. Pretty much a flat grind, no curvature. It's going to be very easy to maintain this blade. Steel type being used is D2. D2 steel is a high carbon stainless steel with about 13% chromium, so you're going to get really good corrosion resistance, and it is a really hard steel. So this edge is going to last you a really long time before you have to sharpen it. Let's have a closer look at these milled G10 handles. Nice work. Nice beveling on the top here. There's a Flissa logo. Beautiful work. Nicely done. Pretty much a neutral grip here. Flat on the top, flat on the bottom. Just a squared off finger groove in the front for a single finger. Rest of your fingers are wrapped around like that. Let's pop the blade open and have a look inside at the liners. Don't see any skeletonization, so they saved on money there, or maybe they just wanted to put the weight in the liner. Look how thick those liners are. Beautiful standoffs in the back. Couple of holes cut directly into the liner in case you want to put a lanyard through here. That's a great design. Beautiful. Here's a close-up of the pocket clip. right? Non-reversible. And this will be tip-up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you jam it down in your pocket. It's going to stick up just a little bit. It's going to be very easy to pluck that out of your pocket and deploy the blade. Here's a profile look that way. All right, let's do some cutting with this factory edge. Got some newspaper here. Let's try to do some nice slow cuts. Not bad. Okay, one more. A little bit toothy. Could be smoother, but not bad for this price point. Let's try cutting through some paracord. No problem. Let's finish up by cutting through some cardboard. Easy peasy. Once again, guys, this folding EDC knife is from Flissa. Lightweight, slim profile. It's going to be very easy to carry in your pocket. You're not even going to notice it's there. Opening action is ridiculously quick. D2 steel, guys. If you're looking for a new EDC knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from Flissa, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.